G'day, I'm Jindiana Zones. Looks like we've got another adventure, but this time about plants. Follow me. There are a lot of different plants in this garden. They differ in shape, size, and colour. Although plants are different, they all share one similarity. Can you guess what it is? They all have leaves, stems, and roots. Some plants also have flowers and fruit. These plants are known as flowering plants. Look at this plant. It's called the hibiscus, and like all plants, it has a leaf, stem, and roots. Let's start with the leaf. Most leaves have a leaf stalk, a leaf blade, and veins. The leaf contains a substance called chlorophyll, which helps the plant make its own food. The leaf is attached to a stem. The stem supports the plant so it can stand upright and receive sunlight to make food. Different plants have different stems. The stem of a bougainvillea is woody and has thorns, whilst the heliconia is non-woody and does not have thorns. The stem of a winged bean is weak, and so it needs to creep up a fence for support. The stem of a tree is called a trunk, as it is strong and woody. In order to show you the roots of the plant, I'll have to dig up the earth. Aha, the roots. They hold a plant firmly in the soil, as well as help to absorb water and mineral salts from the earth. We'll now have to put the soil back carefully so the plant won't become wobbly. And now we'll water it a bit. It's good to water plants regularly. They get thirsty just like us. Remember, not all plants have flowers. These are evergreens. They grow throughout the year and use a different means to spread their seeds. But flowers do play a very important part in a plant's life cycle. But what exactly do they do? Let's go to my Wonder Lab with a few flowers to find out. Welcome to my Wonder Lab. This is where I do all my scientific experiments. Now, those flowers. There we go. Ah, very nice. Ooh, this is a big one. Oof! Whew. Right. Now, look at these flowers. They all come from different flowering plants. Flowers come from all different shapes and sizes, and the colourful part of the flower is called the petal. Many flowers have scent. Some can be sweet smelling, while others can be rather strange. Flowers contain nectar that attracts animals and insects to help in the pollination process. Inside most flowers is a tiny part that produces seeds. This tiny part will grow bigger and become fruit. Hold on a moment, adventurers. I'll be back. Look at this basket of fruit. I've got mangoes, grapes, oranges, papaya, apples, longan, and rambutan. Apart from eating, why is fruit so important? Most fruit contain at least one seed. Some fruit have a few seeds and some have many seeds. The fruit protects the seeds. When the fruit ripens, the seeds are dispersed. It is the seeds that will grow into new plants. You can see, like people, a seed and its fruit come in all shapes and sizes and smells. Seeds have purpose and are built to respond to the environment and the elements. You can see there are a lot of different fruit, but what about non-flowering plants? Non-flowering plants don't have fruit to protect or disperse their seeds. So how do they populate the earth? They do so by using spores and the wind, or even the fur of animals to propagate. More interestingly, spores are like little plant-made tanks. They are resistant to heat and can survive for extended periods of time in unfavorable conditions. Just like humans, plants protect themselves in numerous ways to ensure survival of the species. So what have we learnt today, adventurers? Well, a plant has roots, stem, leaves, flowers, and even fruit. Roots help to absorb water and mineral salts and to keep the plant firmly in the ground. The stem helps the plant stand upright to receive sunlight and to make enough food. Leaves help the plant make food through photosynthesis. Well, excuse you. The flower attracts animals and insects that help in the pollination process. And fruit contains seeds that will grow into new plants when they are dispersed. So as you can see, there's nothing simple about plants, and it will make your next visit to the garden incredibly interesting. Stay safe, adventurers, and I'll see you on our next adventure.